Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to unfollow everyone on Facebook at once. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all we need to open Facebook, open the menu button in the bottom right corner, and from here we need to scroll down until we'll find settings and privacy, expand it, and click on the settings, the first option. In the open settings, we need to search in the top right corner for unfollow option. So simply type unfollow and you will find unfollow option right here. So basically here you can unfollow people by simply clicking on unfollow button next to them. But in some cases you have too many people right here and it will take too much time to unfollow them one by one. So how we can unfollow them at once? So we need to go back to the menu right here and expand help and support. Here we will have four options. Go to report a problem button and in the bottom click on continue to report. Don't include, and here scroll down to the end and find other. Here we need to describe our problem, so we need to type something like I want to unfollow everyone, please help me. Something like that. You can provide some information, more information, or take a screenshot that you have too many guys following to follow. And basically when you click send in the top right corner, Facebook support team will help you and unfollow you from everyone. And basically that is it. That is how we can unfollow everyone on Facebook at once. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.